40 days is there. In this 40 days, how to crack UGC NET January. Yes, 1st January is your exam. So that's why we are telling it's 40 days only in your hand. In this 40 days, what to do, what not to do, everything I am going to tell you in detail. So please watch the video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get all latest update notification and to prepare yourself free of cost. In this channel, you are getting lots of free material. With this free material, already so many students are there, those who crack this exam. You can check their success story. Not only crack, those who get very high score, more than 200 in computer science. That's why I am telling you, you can do it. In this channel, there are some playlists of 45 days playlist of computer science, MCQ playlist, UGC NET paper 1 playlist, UGC NET PYQs for computer science, marathons classes are there. All these classes are waiting for you. Definitely you can start watching. How to proceed, I will tell you. In these 40 days, those who will learn new subject, revise old subject, and with that practice the previous year's question and attempt mock test. These 4 things, those who will do properly, they are going to get success here. Definitely, if you are thinking I will learn only new things and I will not practice, I will not revise, it is not for you. Next thing is that you have to prepare your handwritten note. That is very, very important. I will collect only PDF. By collecting PDF, I can crack the exam. There is also big no. Next thing is that I will only go through books or only go through PDF. I will not watch any videos. I will not watch any live classes. I will not try to understand how to solve the question. That is also not possible. Because question, there is each and every question. Behind each and every question, there is the strategy. That strategy you need to understand. By understanding this strategy, you have to think about that, yes, where I have to focus, how I have to focus, and how quickly I can solve the question. This is very important. Someone will solve the question in 10 minutes or 5 minutes, and someone will solve the question in 10 seconds. That will make a huge difference. That difference you need to understand. To understand that difference, you have to watch classes. So many students are asking me, ma'am, I want only PDF. And by downloading only PDF, if you can crack the exam, then there are lots of books. Go through the books and crack it. It is not, some students are able to do, but most of the 90% of the people are not able to do only by books because they don't know what to learn, how to solve the question, and what types of question. All question is not important for you. Now current trend question. In the current trend question, there are sequence question, there is matching question, there is statement type question, and there is numerical also. Now in the syllabus, there are so many things. Everything you cannot learn. From the 60 to 70% of the syllabus, you are getting more marks. Now you have to focus on those areas. That's why proper analysis is important. If you are not doing the proper analysis, without analysis, if you are learning haphazardly, then it will be not effective. Do you know effective study, effective learning? Effective study is that 1 minute if you are investing, 1 hour if you are investing, after investing 1 hour, what is your benefit? Means how much score you added in your marks. You are learning something which is very less priority topic, and from where that much question they are not asking, and if they are asking also, that is maybe 1 marks question. Rather than that, if you are investing 1 hour and that question is high probability question, and from there mostly always minimum 6 to 10 marks questions are coming. Definitely effective study is that where you are able to focus on those areas. I will invest my 1 hour time, but this 1 hour should be my highly beneficial area from where I can get the marks. Even also I am practicing question. What type of question I am practicing? That is matters. If you are practicing like old previous years, which are very old trend, like before 2018, there is no meaning to solve before 2018 question. at least for UGC NET previous years. Nowadays, current trend is going on in 2024, 2023, even also previous 2018, 2019, 2020, those question paper also now I will say little bit old, because current trend is different. You have to understand the current trend pattern, and according to that you have to prepare yourself. This is I am telling you again and again. For that, every day regular I am taking live classes. You have to focus on those area I am taking. Tulasi ma'am is taking. Paper 1, Tulasi ma'am will guide you. Paper 2, computer science, I will guide you. You have to follow. You have to understand. You have to go in a correct track. Now, you have to divide the time also. Paper 1 and paper 2 every day. I will learn paper 1, I will not learn paper 2. This is a blunder mistake. Every day if you are investing 3 hours time, then in this 3 hours, you have to take 1 hour for paper 1 and 2 hours for paper 2. Full day I will learn only new topic. That is also blunder mistake. Sometime you have to learn new topic, and sometime you have to do revision, practice and attempting mock test. Now, if you need this all in a one area together, like you and I don't want to waste my time, just I want to invest my time and properly someone will guide me, I will only follow that. And everything should be ready, so that to preparation, not that much time you should not waste. That's why your guidance is required. Free course also you can follow, but in the free course what are not available I am telling you, that is mock test. So definitely in YouTube mock test we cannot provide. The practice live session, that is also not possible, because in the live practice we are giving poll. That poll option, it is very difficult to handle in YouTube. You can see your leaderboard. Leaderboard you cannot see in YouTube. That is not possible, because leaderboard is only possible in app. So these are the things, these are the constraints are there in YouTube, definitely. And YouTube, maybe we are taking 30-minute, 40-minute class per day. But in paid course, we are taking, personally I am taking 2 classes per day. Morning class and evening class. Morning class I am trying to provide for the for new concept, new topic. Evening class we are doing practice, completely practice, topic wise practice, subject wise practice, mixed practice, everything. That is every day live mock test. Live mock test means I will ask question, I will set the timer. Time bound practice is very, very important. If you are not doing time bound practice, then it is very difficult, because within time bound you have to attempt exam, right? That's why time bound practice is there. And you have to understand the competition also. If you are doing self preparation but you don't know the competition, then you will see cutoff is going very high. You are not able to reach to the cutoff, because in your mind it will be going on, okay, I will get, this year it was near about 200, so if I get 200 then maybe I can crack the exam. But maybe others are doing that much preparation, they are able to reach to 250 also. Then what will be happen? That's why you need to understand the competition, where others are also preparing and you are also preparing, how much score they are getting and you are getting, the comparative analysis, because it is percentile, it is cutoff. There is no fixed marks that if I get these marks then I can get success. There is nothing like that. Day by day cutoff is increasing. So that's why if you want to come to the competition, then definitely you have to understand the competition, you have to understand the trend, you have to participate with all the students, those who are preparing. Then only you can understand that. That's why 2 months subscription is available, because now only near about 2 months is there. Exactly day count we can't, because exact date we did not get till now. So 2 months subscription is available in Unify Study website. You can visit Unify Study website. Paper 1, paper 2 separate courses are there. For paper 1 you have to purchase separately. Paper 2 you have to purchase separately. Is there any discount? Is there any coupon? No discount, no coupon. Because we did not increase price. Some areas, some platforms are increasing price, after that giving discount. We are not doing that. From last 7 to 8 months, same price we are going on. We did not increase any price. Just 2 month subscription we have added with very less price. 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, 6 month, all these options are available. But we will continue the live classes till January exam, because January, whenever the date will be released, as per the date, as per the planning only, our live classes will be going on. In our course, you will get the previous recording also, live classes also, mock test also, PDF also. Everything is there in a single course. Paper 1 separately, paper 2 separately. We are investing too much effort. I am taking 2 classes. Paper 1, Tulasi ma'am is taking classes. So as per our investment, whatever time, whatever effort and whatever content we are providing, as per that, our courses, our price is very less. If you want to go ahead with that, you can go ahead. If you don't want, then you can go ahead with free course, and with that you can attempt the free mock test. There are so many free mock tests available in our app also. Those mock tests will be helpful for you, because in that mock test there are PYQS mock test, unit wise mock test, full length mock test, paper 1, paper 2 mock test. Everything is available. Just do it, attempt it, start doing, and do proper study, proper way. Don't haphazardly do it. Haphazardly doing will be not good. You have to learn new topic also, you have to go for revision also, you have to practice also, you have to attempt mock test also. Then only you can crack it. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you. It is the fact. Those who will accept, they will be able to crack. Those who will not accept, if you think that it is very easily I can do it, maybe you can do it. But from my understanding, as from last 3 to 4 years I am helping the student for more than 4 years, means from 2020 I have started, so it is 2024 is going to end, so near about 4 years I am guiding the student. According to my understanding, this is the correct way how you have to prepare. Thank you, bye. And daily I am coming live, trying to come live, take the live session at 3 p.m. join the live session at 3 p.m. in this channel only. And paper 1 live class is also going on. We are trying to provide the free classes in app also. So follow us, stay tuned with us. I hope this channel will help you. Check our success story. Lots of success are already there. You can also get it. Thank you.